potpourri or brine? That is what I'm trying to figure out here. This turkey brine by Rodell. It has got a whole bunch of fruits, berries, salts, peppers, any type of seasoning you could think is in it. And it looks and smells wonderful. And at the end, when you see how turkey looks, the chicken looks, it is great. Okay, folks, look, I am doing a different type of brine. I don't have a bucket or a pot big enough to sit it in, so I've just been flipping this up every 30, 40 minutes, flip it. About ready to pat it dry. It's been doing this for a couple hours. I'm not doing it 12 or 24 hours since it's just a chicken. Brine it, then I'm gonna pat it dry, then I'm gonna season it, and then I'm gonna put it on the Traeger. Let it roll at about 325 degrees until done. Look at that brine. It's got, I think it's fruits. Apples, berries, thyme, parsley, cracked pepper, salt. We'll see how it turns out. My wife said it smells and looks good.